Well, today on the healing bench, unfortunately, we have my trusty Microsoft Surface, which has served me well for several years. But now the keyboard's partially stopped working. So A, fine. S, not fine. Y, good. U, not good. So I think U, Y, U, N, and S have all stopped working. It's a bit annoying if you want to type anything. On old laptops, it was easy. You could unscrew the keyboard, £7 or £8. You replace the keyboard, happy days. But this is going to be a bit more of an involved job. Apparently, it's all glued together. I've watched a couple of videos online. I'm not an expert at this kind of thing, so we'll give it a go and just see what happens. So, I'm going to start by detaching the screen. Take it out of its case. Let's remove memory cards and stuff. Alright, apparently this panel here comes away and it's all glued in place. I have a bit of a clever idea. What I'm thinking of doing is basically if I pop this on the heated bed of the 3D printer, and I can heat it up to like 70 degrees, and then hopefully that will soften the glue and I can get it up. If that doesn't work, I might have to come up with an alternative. I do have a little heated bed, but it's not big enough for this, so let's give it a go on the 3D printer. Right, so the bed is up to 70 degrees. So oh, look at that, it's just the right size. So that's on there, warming up. I might cover that up with a jacket or something to keep the heat in, and we'll give it 10 or 15 minutes to warm up, and then we'll see if it wants to give up its secrets. Well, while that warms up, let's open this up. I've ordered the replacement part from China. It's around £50–60, I think, including shipping, and that is the keyboard with the membrane underneath, so I have to reuse the touchpad. I was hoping to just buy the membrane, because that's the bit that's gone wrong, but I couldn't seem to find that, so I had to buy the whole thing. Again, massively overpriced. It's one of those things where it's like, oh, I don't know, it's a 3-and-a-bit-year-old, maybe 4-year-old laptop. Shall I just replace it? But, you know, repair, reuse, recycle, that's the thing. It's still working fine other than the keyboard. So what do we have in here? So we've got, ooh, don't want to break anything now. So that must be the ribbon connector that connects to the motherboard of the laptop. Oh, you've got two. Ooh, God blimey. I should probably have watched the instructions more. Yeah, so it looks like we've got two ribbon cables there. It's a bit unusual. One must be for the backlight, possibly. I don't know. We will see once we get the laptop open. Hopefully it'll all make sense and I'll just be able to plug it straight back in. Yeah, so it's going to be about 10 minutes while that heats up, and then hopefully I'll have a nice new... Oh, where's that got that on there? God damn it. I thought that would be a sticker, but it's not. It's stamped on there. Don't like the look of that. Hey, that's just me being fussy, but... Suppose while I'm waiting, I'll see if I can get that little HXHT logo off, which I know shouldn't annoy me. But it's like off center and it's not right. Just see if might give me something to get hold of. Luckily they're just held on with double-sided tape, so I can get that back on right. So at least we've got some purchase in there. See if we can lift it up. Well, after there's a lot of heating. I did it at 70 degrees. I've been using the heat gun a little bit, and I've managed to get a tiny bit up. So I've poked something through one of these holes, levered it up, and I've managed to get something under there. Now what I'm hoping is that I can heat it and work my way round slowly, removing the adhesive. But actually getting it started is a total nightmare. Anyway, leave it with me. I will keep going, and I'll let you know how it goes. I think it's just a case of warming and then working your way around. Once you've got it started, I think that's alright. Now, if you're not that bothered about it, I'd just mess up these holes here because they're going to be covered up by the feet anyway, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. But yeah, centimetre at a time. Right, I think I've got my technique down now. I think you need one of these weird little plastic pry tools. So then you've got a handle that you can really grab hold of and apply a bit of force. Because these little things that they showed on the iFixit video, you just can't get enough purchase on them to get the glue off. So I'm just heating up a bit. And then pulling. And that seems to be the best solution. Okay, it's exciting now. I think I'm getting to the end. I think there seems to be a bit more glue under there. I don't know. We'll see. But I've nearly got all the way around the edge. It's just all glued. Oh, it feels like it wants to go. Yeah, so there seems to be battery that side, battery this side. It's like stuck in the middle or something. I'm going to stick it back on the 3D printer to warm up, and then hopefully that will let me unstick this. Okay, right, it is hot now. 75 degrees I've heated it up to. Come on you beauty. Whoa, something's happening. Yeah, stuck in the middle. Ooh. Hey, whoa! We're in. Alright. There we go. Oh my gosh. So it turns out the difficulty I was having here is glued all around the edge of the touchpad. So even if you free it around here, you've then got to get up and try and get that off. So, so here you can see you got lots. I thought there were lots of batteries everywhere. So you got 4 batteries in there by the look of it, and the touchpad. Right, now I need to figure out how to get the touchpad off.
Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, BCB, Chicken Free, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call the crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know. say keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honey's playing toast like butter plate toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast, condos and Queens, in dope for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Small speak. Living life without fear, putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood, and it's still all good. And if you don't know, now you know. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green, leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one-room shack, now my mom puts an act with Meeks on her back. And she loved to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the sauce. We used to fuss when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty. Damn right I like the life I live, cause I went from negative to positive and it's all. And if you don't know, now you know.
What's that? Yeah, but I'm just going to stick music over the last bit or some shit. Oh yeah, woo! Yeah, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, I'm basically amazing.